the device remains disconnected from Wi-Fi for more than 30 days after initial Wi-Fi setup, a license reset message will pop up and the device will not be available. A license expiration imminent message will appear 7 days prior to the expiration date. Therefore, we recommend you resetting the device within 7 days to ensure a smooth usage experience. The license is activated by turning on the device and pressing the Setup button at the bottom, the Setup button at the top, the Managing License Setting button, the Network Setting button, and press the Setting button next to Network. Then connect it to the in-house Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi setup will be completed after these procedures. Once the device is successfully connected to the in-house Wi-Fi, the expiration message will no longer appear, and 30 days will have passed from the last connection date. If you are having trouble with connecting to the in-house Wi-Fi due to weak signals, please contact the Classy's Customer Center, and we will be happy to assist you promptly.